My name is Nina Mickelsen. I am a silk screening and mixed media artist on the coast of Delaware. I mix traditional silk screening with other materials. I often embed silk screening within layers of epoxy resin. Using layers creates fun shadows and gives a lot of dimension. I silk screen on top of wood board, on top of canvas and cloth. Here you can see more of my multi-layered silk screening work in different sizes, in different shapes. I do quite a lot of commission work as well. I like to juxtapose the glossiness of epoxy with silk screening on rough textures. You can see much more of my work and a little bit about my background on my website. Thank you for watching.